Hi guys, do you like this bike? I think Turin there are a lot of bikes like this about motorbike. Motorbike is a motorbike, it's very good motorbike. Wow, wonderful bike. Maybe because I like orange. Mi raccomando, orange, non orange, orange. You have to say orange in English, orange. La A si legge I, orange, orange, orange color. I like very much it because you can ride, but it's very dangerous. But I have realized that a lot of people use this bike on the pavements in Turin. It has been becoming very dangerous for pedestrians because you cannot ride these bikes on the pavement. You can ride these bikes in the streets. Yes, I know that in the streets you are very afraid about cars, but don't cycle with your bike here in Turin on the pavement, not in the street, but in the streets. Okay, bye. Can you tell me your personal opinion about this bike? Have you ever tried a motorbike? What are the prices? Okay, tell me that, your personal opinion.